Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play story in Pixel Car Racer. Many players wonder about a story mode, but it's important to know that an official version was never fully implemented into the game. Developers had plans for it, but it remains a locked feature in the standard application. Since an official story mode isn't available, the community has created fan-made modifications. These mods offer a unique way to engage with story-like content, often including custom events and special vehicles not found in the original game. You can find these through various community channels. When playing a modded story, you'll usually encounter a structured series of races. These often have specific themes or opponents, requiring you to tune your car for different challenges. Success in these races often unlocks new content or progresses the unofficial narrative. It's crucial to remember that fan-made mods are unofficial and come with potential risks. Always exercise caution and ensure you download from reputable community sources. These modifications can significantly enhance your gameplay, offering a fresh experience beyond the standard game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.